and welcome to MV App Hub with me, James Scott. I'm just going to talk you through the general process of how easy it is to set up your iPhone app and get it to be launched on iTunes. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is part of the process. Now, once you've signed up to MV App Hub, the first stage is setting your screens. Now, you'll be able to see here on a simulated version of an iPhone app that is currently on iTunes. But along the bottom there are 5 main tabs, and then on the home screen there are 3 different buttons. Now each one of these tabs can go to a variety of screens or modules such as events, news, or a custom section which is designed for building jobs, hotels, products or services. So once you've looked at these and you've got a little bit of an idea of what you want to put in your app, this is the part where we will assist you. Once you've signed up for MV App Hub, you will then get a call from one of our technical advisors who will assist you in setting up your screens. So you can see here those tab bar icons that we've just seen in the last screen are located along the side here. And a technical advisor will set these screens up for you simply by going through a list of menus that can be embedded into the iPhone app. So you can see here on tab bar 1, the usual one is to have a home page there, but again you could have about. There are a couple of different widgets that you can use as custom section that you can use to display products, jobs, hotels, etc., frequently asked questions, news, events, so on and so forth. The idea here is that once these are set up, and we do recommend having the More menu on the 5th tab bar, and the More menu can then go to a number of other items such as frequently asked questions, tell a friend, Facebook, YouTube, so on and so forth. Once these are set up, then you can start building your app. Once the screens are set up, as I said, you can start building your app. Now this is really simple to do because it is a templated system designed for non-technical people, i.e. marketers or business owners. In order to edit your app, there is a drop-down menu showing you all the screens that are within your app. So for example, if I wanted to, say, change the home page, I would click on Home, click the Edit screen, and details of the home page would appear. So you can see here that there's a splash screen image. Now a splash screen image is something that appears right at the beginning of the app as it's just loading the main parts of the data. You can see here that there's a screen title, so I can amend or add something new there. View image for the screen image. This is the main image on the right hand side here. And of course the buttons along the bottom, where and what you want those to say. The whole of the system is based on this structure, so you can effectively edit numbers of different areas within the app. So for example, this one uses a custom menu. Now a custom menu can be used for displaying hotels, jobs, products, services, whatever it is you want to get in within your app. In this case it's used for displaying jobs, so you can see here these are the jobs on the left hand side, and the jobs are displayed here on the right hand side in the simulator. Once you've built your app, the next stage is to look at the Apple iTunes information. Now this is the information that will appear in iTunes once your app is live. So within this section you can choose what you want to call your app. You can put an application description in here so people understand exactly what they're buying, and of course application keywords to help people search out the app. There is also an area for your main icon that goes onto the iPhone app and your screenshots that will appear in iTunes. Once you're happy with your app, you come down to the Submit/Update App button. You click on the Submit app and it will come through to us, and we will build your app in approximately 2 days and submit it to Apple. Your app will look different to that of the simulator in that it will look more designed and much more slick. Your app will take approximately 2 weeks to be signed off by Apple and will appear in iTunes ready for you to update.